In this video, I want to show you how to change a needle. First, we'll take the needle out that's there. And I want to show you a little bit about this needle here. This is the front of the needle. There is a long groove that goes all the way down the front to the hole where the needle thread goes. Now if you turn it, this is the back of your needle. There's a little scarf. It's a little indentation that's been cut out. That is the very back. And when you put your needle into the machine, you want it straight up with the groove facing straight forward. When you dispose of your needles, put them in a plastic container with the top. Don't ever just throw them in the garbage. That's not a good idea. Now I'm going to take my new needle out. It's a 7010 sharp that I'm using. And you have the point here on the end of the needle, of course, and you want to be very careful with that point. You do not want to touch it on any part of the surface of your presser foot. And the best way to avoid that is to hold your needle with your needle nose pliers and rest your finger against your pliers, and then just place your needle down through the presser foot and up into the groove. Now I'm going to take a long narrow pen and I'm going to just stick it in that hole, and you want to be very careful when you do that you don't scratch against the hole or drag it at all, because you will also damage your needle. Now that I've changed my needle, I'm going to go to my needle replacement sheet here, and this was needle number 15, so I'm going to go down here to needle number 15 to this line, and I'm going to put in 7010 sharp and today's date. That way I know exactly what I've done and when I've changed them. I keep total track of my needle replacements.